Hi guys, marhaban. Welcome to this new lesson with me, Soraya, and this is the 7th and the last part of my series of lessons about the pronunciation of the letters of the Arabic alphabet for the beginners. If you didn't see the previous lessons, the links are down below in the description box. Over the course of the last 6 lessons, I taught you how to pronounce all the letters of the Arabic alphabet. I divided them into groups according to their similarity with their English counterparts, starting from the easiest ones up to the most difficult ones, which are the guttural sounds of the Arabic alphabet. In this last lesson, I'm going to summarize all the letters and I'm going to put them in their alphabetical order, and I'm also going to teach you the names of those letters. Before we start with this lesson, let me just remind you about a few facts of the Arabic alphabet. The Arabic alphabet consists of 28 letters, 25 consonants, and only 3 long vowels. What is also very important is not to forget that the Arabic alphabet is written from right to left, and it's very phonetic, which means most of the words are pronounced exactly the same way as they are written. Now, let's begin with the lesson. Alif, A, Ba, B, Ta, T, Tha, Th, Jim, J, Ha, H, Kha, Kh, Dal, D, Dal, Th, Ra, R, Zain, Z, Sin, S, Shin, Sh, Sad, S, Dad, L, Ta, T, Za, ظ, Ain, A, Ghain, Gh, Fa, F, Qaf, Q, Kaf, K, Lam, L, Mim, M, Noon, N, Ha, H, Waw, W or U, Ya, Y or E. And that's all. Now you have completed the whole Arabic alphabet. Now you know how to pronounce each letter and what is the name of each letter and what is the alphabetical order of all the letters of the Arabic alphabet. I hope that you have found this series helpful, and I'm sure that with regular practice you will be able to pronounce all the letters of the Arabic alphabet, even the difficult ones, the guttural sounds. And if you want to know what are the 14 Arabic words for love, then tune in for my next video that is coming very soon. And in order for you not to miss it, then don't forget to subscribe for more videos and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much. Shukran for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to put the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, leave your comments below, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell so you will not miss any of the upcoming videos. And don't forget, practice, practice, practice. I see you in the next lesson. Bye. Ma salama.